Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add quantity option on Etsy account. Keep watching the video till the end. To add quantity option on Etsy, firstly go ahead and launch open your Etsy application. Log into your account and the home page of Etsy will appear on the screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on Open your Etsy shop. Select a reason for questions being asked or else skip the process. On the next page, create a listing, that is, add some photos and details about your items and click on Save and Continue. Fill in the title of the product on who made it, what is it, and when was the product or item made, its category, type and production partner. Answer and fill in other credentials being asked and tap on Save Partner option. Enter the type of its category, renewal option, primary and secondary color, its sustainability, tags, material and inventory, its pricing, variation, postcode and processing time with delivery service and tap on Save and Continue. This is how you can add quantity option on Etsy quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.